Hello guys, I would like to make a review about this Dr. G Royal Black Nail Cream, and this is a renowned beauty product from Korea, Dr. G. Nakita ko siya sa reviews and super ganda daw ito for mature skin like what I have mine. And for dry skin as well. So when you open that tube, you can see it. It's like this, and there is a small spoon. So let's go ahead and try. Tingnan natin ang kanyang consistency. So dito ko siya ilalagay. Ito yung wala. Dito ko siya ilalagay. Let us see. So yeah. Grabe, parang merong gelatin yung skin ko compare dito na wala. Ito, makikita mo talaga. Nag-glow siya. Dito, hindi. Tapos ito, nag-glow siya. And they said that it's a super hydrating, and yeah, makikita nyo naman. And the elasticity, super perfect for dry or for matured skin like what I have mine. And this is a 9/10 for me. 9 sa consistency at saka sa ganda. Yung 1%, I will leave it kasi sa Korea pa siya in-order. So, not sure if meron ito dito. So, ayan. Tingnan natin. Ganda, guys. Diba? Super hydrating. Lagay na natin siya dito. Let's put it here. And voila. Oh, looks like a baby skin. Let us try it here. Can you see it, guys? See? Lagay na natin dito. Parang bet ko na siyang gawing lotion sa buong katawan ko. Ayan. So, to those who want to avail this, you can look it up online. It's really hydrating, guys. Super ganda. I like it. Thank you so much for watching.